What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Playboy, and we're back with another video. And today we're gonna do a brief, short little video of updating what's going on in the garden. Um, so let's get into it. Alright, y'all. Right here we got these are the coleus that I planted. As you can see, I planted these from seeds, and we got some strawberries runners that we cut off. We put them right here. All right, and those runners from them volunteer tomato plants that we showed in the one of our previous videos, we put them in a bucket, and as you can see, they're starting to grow. But I don't know what type of tomatoes these are, so we're just gonna have to wait and see what actually is going on. Right here is the rose bush that we got here, y'all. It's just starting to bloom because I had to cut it back. As you can see, and as you can see right there, there's spider webs, little spiders that's being spider mites. So I cut them back and gave it some fertilizer. Hopefully it's gonna start growing. But who knows? Who knows? It's about to get ready to rain out here, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it. See the clouds are coming in. So we trying to hurry up. Alright, here's our tomato. And look, it's done fell down, y'all. So we're gonna have to get us a clip. Do I have one in my pocket? I don't have one on me. So I'm gonna have to come back and clip this one up because it's done got heavy. And y'all, we do have beans. I just ain't made no videos out here. Y'all hear that thunder? We might get cut out here. But we just trying to get y'all some video content right quick. Here's our jalapeno pepper. Here's our jalapeno peppers. And y'all, here's our big old tomatoes again. And if you can see, let me see. Look at this mortgage lifter, y'all. Look at that. Isn't that big? That's a big one. Let me see if y'all can see it real good. I had to tie it up. Here's our pink things. This look like they're doing good now. We're just gonna leave them alone because they fall off easily. Here's a juicy tomato. Look at it. Look at that. These gonna be some good ones when they come in, y'all. Here's our little watermelon patch and cantaloupes. As you can see, our cantaloupes are doing really good. Now that we moved them into the sun, now they get some sun, and they're being fertilized as well. Here's another coleus plant that I have that I started these from seed. All of these came from seeds. Look how pretty that is. I guess this was gonna be a plain one. There's some mortgage lifters, as you can see. They getting ready to turn. Now I don't know what's all this jungle in here, y'all, but this is a tomato that's in the greenhouse, green stock. As you can see, look. We're gonna have to come from out here, y'all. All right. All right, y'all. So that was just a brief video just showing y'all what's going on out here in the garden. Stay tuned. We will give more updates of everything when the weather gets better. All right, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.